Here's how to make garlic and herb naan bread with Odlums. So we're going to start and make this by hand. So we're going to go into a bowl firstly with the ingredients, and then we're going to mix everything together and knead. Now, so we're going to start firstly in a bowl with 300 grams of the Odlums strong flour. And next we have 7 grams of yeast in. We have 2 pinches of salt. We have a tablespoon of sugar, 80 ml of natural yogurt, and 120 ml of lukewarm water. So you're just going to combine all that together with a spoon firstly. Dust the counter lightly with some flour. You're going to tip it out and give that a good knead together. So we're just going to place that into a bowl, and then we're going to wrap it in cling film and leave it to proof for an hour. An hour later, knock back the dough. So just get in there. So just give it a good flouring, and then bring out the dough, and then we're going to divide it into 8 portions. And then we're just going to roll each of them out into nice oval shapes. So we're just going to place them onto a hot pan to cook these. So these take about 1 minute to 2 minutes on each side. You see the little air pockets? That's exactly what you're looking for. Now just give it a flip. Lovely. We've just got some thyme and rosemary, and we're just going to give it a good chop firstly. And we just have 1 clove of garlic as well, a good chop also. And we're just going to place the herbs and garlic into some melted butter. Give them a good brushing with that herb butter. And there you have it, delicious garlic and herb naan breads with Odlums.